Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to run NVIDIA Nemetron 3 Ultra in VS Code. I have already installed Git and VS Code in my PC. So let's start Nemetron 3 Ultra integration in VS Code. Open VS Code, go to extensions, go to search, type Cline. Let's click on it. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Cline is installing. Now Cline is installed. Cline icon is appear on IDE. Click login to Cline. Click open. Click just once. I'm login with Google account. Authorization request. Click authorize. Click open Visual Studio Code. Go to VS Code. Click open. Click close. Default model is DeepSeek V4 Flash. Let's click on it. API configuration. Now I'm going to configure Nemetron 3 Ultra. Go to API provider. Select OpenAI compatible. Go to web browser. Open Google website. Go to Google search. Type Naga AI. Hit enter. Click on first link. naga.ac. Now Naga official website is open. Click on sign in. Login with Google account. Create a duplicate tab. Click on models. Nemetron 3 Ultra free. Let's click on it. Click API references. Scroll down. Select base URL. Copy this URL. Go to VS Code. Paste copied URL here. Go to browser. Select and copy model name. Go to VS Code. Paste model name in model ID. Enter a API key. Go to browser again. Click second tab. Go to sign tab. Click API key. Click create API key. Type key name Nemetron testing. Click create. Copy to clipboard. Close this dialog box. Go to VS Code. Paste the API key here. Click done. Now Nemetron is configured. Now set up a work folder. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Select documents. Click new folder. I'm giving it name Cline -Nemo -project. Select this folder. Click select folder. Now work folder is set up. Click on Cline icon. Now see the model Nemetron 3 Ultra. Type I, then hit enter. It's showing hello. How can I help you today? I am given it task to create office inventory web page. Type create a office inventory web page using HTML, JavaScript and CSS, and save it on desktop. Hit enter. It's showing Cline has a question. Create a new project. Explore existing code base. Fix a bug. Add a feature. Click create a new project. It's showing error, shell integration unavailable. Now just copy this line, go to web browser, open another tab, paste in Google search, select shell integration available VSCode, hit enter, click show more, scroll down, copy this PowerShell command, go to VSCode, paste the command on terminal, hit enter. Now web page is creating. Now web page is created. Minimize VSCode, minimize web browser, see the created folder. Let's double click on it. Double click on index file. Google Chrome already selected. Click just once. Now you can see Often Inventory Management web page is open. You can add a new item here. Select category. Select unit, pieces, boxes, packets, rims, locations. Overall output is good, but this web page graphics is not so good. You can fix this graphics, but that's all in this video. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to run NVIDIA Nemetron 3 Ultra in VS Code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.